Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on finding the MAC address on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Press the digital crown to open the app menu. Tap the Settings cog to open Settings. Scroll down Settings and select General. Tap About at the top of the list. Scroll down and you will see the MAC address near the bottom of the list. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.